What's the matter?
Hey, Matt, are you busy? I need you to take a look at something.
I don't know. I'm pretty swamped.
Okay. Yeah,
Got a lot
I
to
know.
do yet.
I'm swamped too. I can't get out of the office. I need somebody to take a look at a job over there near the Leola area.
All right.
Okay.
No problem.
Tough to find good help nowadays.
So here we are in the negative 10-degree freezer here at Fox Meadows. This is where they store all their ice cream and other things that they make here. This is a temperature probe. It is a low temperature probe. It's monitoring the temperature in this and sending that information back to the main temperature control panel. Okay, so this is an EnviroAlert 400. This can handle up to 4 temperature probes or other environment sensors like humidity, water sensors, and so forth. On this project, we're using 3 temperature sensors. They're low temperature sensors that monitor the freezers and the coolers here at Fox Meadows. We have it set. There's 3 different zones on this thing. So zone 1 is the negative 10-degree freezer. Zone 2 is the 0-degree freezer, and then zone 3 is our 38-degree cooler. We have this set with high point and low point alarm points on it, where if it goes above or below those set points, it'll trigger an alarm to the security system, and it will call them to let them know that there's an issue with their temperatures. We also were able to program a delay into that, so when the freezers go into defrost mode, it allows some time for that temperature to return back to normal before it sends the alarm. Hey guys, thanks for joining us here at Fox Meadows, the new creamery in Leola. It was a great project for ESCO. We got to do their fire alarm security and the temperature monitoring system. So, hey, make sure you check out this new location here in Leola. And if you excuse me, I'm going to go back in and finish my ice cream.
Hard to find good text nowadays.